Okay, so we want to have our two sprites talk and interact with each other. So this video, I'm going to explain how to make this sprite, the beetle, go over to the dog and say something and then walk back. So right now I start here and I always put this first one at the top because I always want it to start in that same location. It's our grounding spot. Now that I have that, I'm going to click and drag it over to here and let go. When I do that, I can choose this glide 1 second to this location. Now, once it's here, I want it to say something. So we're going to go to the looks and it's going to say something. Now, I'll have it just say, I don't know, I'll just keep it as hello. Now, I want that sprite to move back, but right now it's facing that way, and if I ever go back, it's going to walk backwards. And as cool as walking backwards is, I don't want my sprite to do that. I want to change its look. So I'm going to go to costumes, and right now I just have that beetle facing this way. I'm going to duplicate this. So I'm going to do a right click. So I'm going to right click on it, and then I can duplicate. And you'll notice there's beetle, and then there's beetle 2 now. And on beetle 2, up here, I can flip horizontal, and then it's facing that way. So now when I go back to my code, when my beetle goes and talks, I'm still in the looks, the purple part. When I come down here, it says switch to beetle 2. That's this costume. But also, since I made that second costume, now my beetle is going to be facing this way all the time, so it's going to be walking backwards in the beginning. So I need to put this at the top in the beginning, but instead of beetle 2, I want to make sure it's the regular beetle in the beginning facing this way. So that's an important part to do. So I'm going to test this. Well, now that it's facing this way, I'll glide it back over here and then put that motion block underneath this one. And then we'll test it to see if it does that. Does it go over? Yep, says hello, and then it comes back. All right, and again, if it moves too fast, maybe we switch these so that those are 2 seconds instead. All right, so that's how you get that beetle to go across, talk, and then come back.